Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to disable your comment when making a post on X, formerly known as Twitter. Here's how to do it. Open your X app, click on the plus icon to make a post. Let's say you want to post something and you want to disable your comment. At the bottom you're going to see where it says everyone can reply. Click on it. And now you have 4 options: everyone, verified accounts, accounts you follow. You have to select only accounts you mention. Click on it. And now when you post it, nobody can reply to your post. Nobody can engage with your post unless you mention someone in that post. So that's how you disable your comment on posts on Twitter. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.